ওয়েলকাম টু মৌ প্রিন্টস। আপনারা দেখছেন মৌ প্রিন্টস, মনের মতো শাড়ি, যে শাড়ি আপনাদের বানায় সম্পূর্ণ নারী। হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বার ইজ 9831575641 and address is 6E Keatala Road, Kolkata 29. The first saree, which is having universal design and uniqueness, is intact because the saree is light in weight and beautiful looking. It's a silk saree, pure silk, and uske upar bani hui hai paisley motif. The border area of the saree is all over embroidered. This is machine embroidered one, and the whole saree is giving a very sophisticated look because of its design, and uniqueness is the composition of the saree. The blouse piece of the saree is self-designed one, maroon on maroon. This is the way the blouse piece looks like. 5.5 meter saree comes along with 1 meter of blouse piece. In case you like to take the saree, please have a look, take a screenshot, send it to us to know the price and availability. All are with affordable price and offer price we are giving for Valentine Day purpose. In case you want to gift somebody or you want to buy for yourself, you are giving a discount price for all these sarees. This is the first saree of the day. The second one, পরের যে শাড়িটা দেখাচ্ছি, this is also very nicely printed one and it is embroidered. This is a machine embroidered one. The border area and the pallu is done with the machine embroidery, and the whole saree is done by on ghicha tasar. The design is unique and beautiful looking. The color is also very eye-pleasing and soothing. In case you love to take the saree, please have a look, take a screenshot, send it to us to know the price and availability. 9831575641 is our number. This is the blouse piece you are getting along with the saree. 5.5 meter saree comes along with 1 meter of blouse piece. The next one, পরের যে শাড়িটায় যাচ্ছি, this is also a silk one. This is a khadi silk and इस पे नीम जरी का काम बनी हुई है and border area is done with kantha. Look at the beautiful design of the saree. This is a beautiful designer piece. This is the way the pallu area of the saree and blouse piece is also having this Madhubani design. So pallu and blouse piece is having Madhubani design with neem zari highlights, and the major part of the saree is having beautiful katha stitch both sides of the border, and that's the way the saree is. It's look very unique and great, rich looking because of its color and its design. The next one, পরেরটাতে যাচ্ছি. Next saree is also a beautiful silk one and इस पे print किया गया है. It's a silk screen printed one and highlighted with neem zari work. This is also a very eye-pleasing color and the design floral motif. Let me show the beautiful saree so that you can understand, and in case you want to take the saree, please have a look, take a screenshot, send it to us to know the price and availability. This is the blouse piece of the saree and the whole saree looks like this. Very soothing, eye-pleasing and of course sophisticated one. Let me show the fall of the saree so that you can understand how beautifully the saree falls. This is the way the saree looks like, and our number once again 9831575641. The next one, পরের যে শাড়িটা যাচ্ছি, this is also a beautiful ghicha and इसके ऊपर जो काम बनी हुई है, this is embroidered work with highlighted by neem zari. This is also a beautiful saree, খুব সুন্দর দেখতে একটা শাড়ি and bright in color. Look at the beautiful saree. In case you want to gift somebody, this is the ideal piece to give someone. जिसको भी देंगे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, and the grandeur of the saree is really at par. इसका booking number 9831575641, address 6E Keatala Road, Kolkata 29. The whole saree is having this kind of buta and চওড়া করে বর্ডারটা করা রয়েছে. ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই যোগাযোগ করুন. Look at the beautiful blouse piece of the saree. Blouse pieceও কিন্তু এইভাবে কাজ করা রয়েছে. যাদের পছন্দ হবে, of course take a screenshot, send it to us to know the price and availability. The next one, পরের শাড়িটাতে যাচ্ছি। This is a silk one, very light in weight, निमसरी का काम बनी हुई है। This is a printed one, silk screen print और उसके ऊपर निमसरी highlighted बनी हुई है। Color is beautiful and the workmanship has been done on the sari. This is also very, very pretty. So uniqueness of each and every sari is reasonable with the price. This is the way the sari looks like. খুব সুন্দর দেখতে শাড়িটা, পুরো শাড়িতেই কিন্তু কাজ করা রয়েছে। গিফট পারপাসে একটা ভীষণ সুন্দর শাড়ি এটা হতে পারে। অ্যান্ড ব্লাউজ পিস অফ দ্য শাড়ি, ইউ ক্যান সি দ্য হোল এরিয়া অফ ব্লাউজ পিস ইজ হ্যাভিং ওয়ার্ক। দ্য নেক্সট ওয়ান, চলে যাচ্ছি পরের শাড়িতে। The next sari is a very, very classy one. This is also a crush tissue. इस पे टिश्यू के ऊपर ये जो काम बनी हुई है, ऑर्गेनिक डाई पे काम बनी हुई है, लीफ प्रिंट, एंड उसके ऊपर हाईलाइट किया गया है नीम जरी से. So that's the way the sari is. It looks really unique and classy. Anybody can wear the sari to make your look unique and beautiful. This is the way the sari looks like. Pallu area of the sari. Look at the beautiful tissue pallu of the sari, and the whole sari is having color, texture, and the design superbly beautiful. Blouse piece of the sari. This one is the blouse piece of the sari, and the whole sari is having this kind of organic leaf motif all over. This is actually eco-friendly design on tissue. The next one, পরের শাড়িটাতে যাচ্ছি। आप लोगों का डिमांड से दिस इज़ द काटवर्क साड़ी वंस मोर, क्योंकि ये साड़ी जितना टाइम बनी हुई है बहुत पसंद आए है सबको। दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ ब्यूटिफुल घीचा, उसके ऊपर काटवर्क का काम। Let me show the sari and the color as well. This is really, really pretty sari. খুব সুন্দর দেখতে শাড়িটা, because only the border area and pallu you are getting with cut work, and the whole sari is having plain color, unusual color, and with unusual unique design all over the sari. It has blouse piece as well, 5.5 meter sari, and it is having a beautiful contrast blouse piece along with the sari. Let me show the sari along with the blouse piece. ভালো লাগলে স্ক্রিনশট নিন, আমাদের পাঠান, will tell availability and the price. The last sari of the day, this is also the similar pattern. Color is different. In case you like to go along with the sari, please have a look, take a screenshot, send it to us so that we can tell availability and the price of the sari. This is the way the sari is. খুব সুন্দর। এটা হচ্ছে শাড়িটার পাল্লু। Let me show the pallu area of the sari, যাতে আপনারা বুঝতে পারেন শাড়িটা কীরকম। This is the way the sari looks like. খুব সুন্দর cut work border এখানে করা রয়েছে। It's a handmade cut work border and pallu, and blouse piece is with contrast color. Light in weight and beautiful looking. This is the blouse piece you are getting along with the sari. So don't forget to take a screenshot and send it to us in case you like our saris, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Once you subscribe the channel, you will get all notification and latest updates, which helps you to choose saris from us. Take care of yourself and देखते रहिए Mo Prints, मोनेर मोतो साड़ी जो बनाए आपको संपूर्ण नारी।